Kurumjari, Namaste, hello. This is a preview of my today's video, which is going to be about what I do in a working day. So basically, I'm going to cover how I work, what I eat, and my gym, and obviously a little bit of my personal hygiene. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it among your friends and family. So let's move on with the video and see the day in the life of an assistant professor, second edition of Chitra. My day starts at 5:45 a.m. So I just brush my teeth, wash my face, and then for me it's very important to drink up a lot of water in the morning. So I was looking around, having my nice cup of water and enjoying the view. Now I'm walking around my hostel, and till that time the sun was also coming up, and the morning fresh air, the sunlight, and the greeneries around, it makes me feel so fresh and alive at the same time. The best part of waking up early is you have a lot of time to do some other stuffs, like I just wash my clothes. Now I can head out for breakfast. Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. and for today's breakfast they gave us bread and butter, veg sandwich, poha, and tea. They also provide coffee, milk. So I was in the mood of having tea, so I right now having bread and butter with the tea, and the taste of the tea was also good. So I will be testing all these recipes one by one. Next one I had is poha. It was quite bland in taste, and then the veg sandwich. It was also good. After draping my purple sari, I'm now headed off to my department. As I was walking to my cabin, one of my students again coincidentally wished me good morning as like in the last video. So that's me smiling. Now time to work. That day I had a lot of work and I did my work very well that day. So I deserved a break, right? So as a break I went out to have some tender coconut water. And the heat in Coimbatore is like you should have coconut water every day. Then only you will feel so energized. And that's the coconut wala Anna. He is now asking me whether I want only water or not. Then comes the lunch time. For lunch I have to walk back all the way to the hostel mess, and I will show you what I'm having today and how am I eating this South Indian foods and all. So enjoy a little bit of mukbang in the between.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze.
Walking back in the bright sun and completing all the tasks that I was supposed to complete that day. Since I've completed, now I'm taking a break, a tea break. So after the tea break, when I head inside, I received a wedding invitation card, and the design of the card was too artistic. So I'm just showing the detailing it has. It was like on another level, the detailing. Then after showing off the card and all, and after minding some of my other businesses of that day, the day finally comes to an end. So I headed back to my hostel mess to see what are they providing me for the evening. And that day they provided me with aloo bonda.
Weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm.
After having my evening tea and changing, I head out for the gym. Gym is within inside the campus only. So today was my cardio day and that's me cycling around. After gymming, I went directly for dinner. And for dinner, I was provided with dosa. It was good only. And yeah, don't forget to brush your teeth and wash your face before going to sleep.
Guitar, blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore.
Now it's already time for me to sleep. So good night everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.